Welcome to this instructional video on installing the Arnott Rear Air Springs for the Mercedes-Benz GLC-Class, X253, E-Class, W213, and CLS-Class, C257, with or without 4MATIC. We'll guide you through the process to ensure a smooth and safe installation experience. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by raising the vehicle and removing the applicable rear wheel. Disconnect the airline using a wrench. Remove the airline fitting from the air hose and discard it. To do this, remove the collet and the remaining fitting will slide off the air hose. Now remove the plastic cover. Continue by disconnecting the two electrical connections, one on top of the air spring, the other one on the bottom. To complete the removal, compress the air spring and remove it from the vehicle. Pull and remove the shipping pin from the new Arnott Air Spring. Now you are ready to install the new air spring into the vehicle. Make sure that the spring is seated securely in the correct orientation. Reconnect the air spring's electrical connections on the top and at the bottom. Install the airline by pushing the line into the fitting until it is firmly seated. Then reinstall the lower control arm plastic cover. Start the vehicle and check if the air spring is properly seated as it inflates. Then reinstall the wheel, tightening it to the vehicle's manufacturer's specifications. Continue by lowering the vehicle until the wheels touch the ground. Check the air spring again to make sure it is properly seated. Then lower the vehicle completely. You have now completed the installation. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the rear air springs with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.